Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I've probably done a video like this, but somebody asked me a question today. When they take the Smart Fill tool and fill it in and then take away the fill, they have a red line around it. Well, that's because they've got a setting that does that. So, and it's pretty cool to be able to do this with the Smart Fill tool. So what you need to do is specify the color, but outline, you need no outline. He probably has use default or specify. And what's cool about this, you could make it I'm going to make it a CMYK or excuse me, an RGB red. And instead of drawing, so now let's do it. Let's take the Smart Fill tool and fill this in and then move it over, and we take away the fill, we still have the hairline. So there's what you need to do is, for the one I'm doing it for, is put don't use or use default, put no outline. But what is cool about this setting is you could go right here and go no fill, and then you can fill that in and move it over and you have the outline. So if you needed to do some outline of an object, even if it's a circle that's got a color in it, and if you take the Smart Fill tool and hit it and then move it over, you have just the outline of that object. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.